Okay, starting off with the 4 hours. I did make this note here when I did my top-down analysis. So for the 4 hours, let's see. Okay. So for my notes, 4 hours is in consolidation, retested the previous level of resistance. It's now support. So here's that level here, resistance, now tested as support. Yeah, I would need price to break below this higher low in order for this to be a downtrend on the overall 4-hour structure. Okay, so that's all that's going on there. Yeah. And then for the 1 hour, I put through here, price is still making higher highs and higher lows, higher high. So I was expecting price to go about here, which is still a higher low. I do have these two trend lines right here. I'm not sure which one will like really uphold, but I did mark both of them. This one up top is the majority of price. This one at the bottom touches the wicks. So yeah, on 1 hour, we did have that completion of the fib over here. Right now, we are at a level where price is, we have resistance here that's testing this level of support here. Also a minor structure zone. Let's see, 1 hour fib completed for the downtrend. Price retested the previous level of support as resistance. Price has not taken out the last lower high to confirm the uptrend. Did get a break and retest on the 1 hour trend line. And a slight push up to retest the minor structure zone. Plug up my structure. Okay. So yeah, we did get that break and retest there. So it could possibly be going up more, but can't say for sure if, as long as it doesn't break like this area right here, it's still, for me, consider an overall downtrend. Even though it did break this trend line, that sometimes just has like a little, have a push up, like maybe on a 30 minutes and completes a fib there, but it doesn't mean that it's going to, trend all the way back up. So let's go to the minor structure. So on the 15 minutes, actually that wasn't on the 15 minutes, it was on the 30 minutes. Yeah, on the 30 minutes, there is divergence. Since it's on the 30 minutes, 30 minutes is still minor, but it's not as minor as a 15-minute. Like 30-minute diversion, 15-minute diversion could be completed, just by price going back to this area. 30-minute may push down a little bit further. So it may break this bottom trend line and go down to hit one of these areas, TP1 or TP2. or it may just go back and retest this blue um, zone. Let's see. So the confirmations for that would have been here at the break and retest, but that just went down to this level right here, and to bounce back off of this bottom trend line. I do really want a nice trade that's like clear as day with a decent amount of pips. Yeah, I'm not willing to really risk it for 59 pips. Only because price has been respecting this trend line here. And um, even though it broke and retested that trend line, it went back and respected this trend line right here. So my bias was for it to come down here, but looking at price right now, um, it's really in has some consolidation going on right here. So um, it's only Monday morning, and I don't really have much time to be in the charts this morning anyway. So I'm just going to um, wait for more price to play out. Let's see, yeah, because there's divergence there, letting us know that price was about to go back up some, which it did, and retested this area out through here. Yeah, now it's looking a bit indecisive. So, yeah, I'm not gonna sit and wait. I do have my alerts set for, I believe, this trend line. Yeah. Do I have it for this one? I don't have it for that one. Do I have it for this one? No. So I have it set for this trend line, just to see if price is going back up. I need to set it for this trend line to see if price is going to break here. Because if price does break here, where can it go? Well, even if price breaks there, the structure wise, it'll have to break here to say it's going back down. So yeah, I just have to wait. I have right here. Right now, price is at a trend line with divergence. If there's a break and retest of this, where is it? Of this trend line, um, take trade down to the blue zone right here. If not, look for buys to continue up to the top blue zone, which is this one up here. So yeah, when in broken retest, I was asleep. Um, but it still didn't go as far as anticipated. So nothing really, no real missed opportunities there. And look like price is going back up to the area anyway. So yeah, I'm sitting on my hands for Monday, and hopefully something becomes available either later on or um, Definitely sometime during this week.